So welcome everyone. I am Helper Boy and you are watching Helper YT YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain a question from probability and statistics. So the question is four cards are drawn at random from the pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that number 1 they are a king, queen, jack and an ace. Number 2 two are king and two are queens. Number 3 two are black and two are red. Number 4 there are two cards of heart and two of diamonds. So before we go ahead, I want to explain you about the number of cards and type of cards. So there are 52 cards in a pack of cards. There are total 52 cards in a pack of cards and 26 are black cards, 26 are black cards and 26 are the red cards. Then in 26 black cards there are 13 cards. 13 cards are diamond and 13 cards are of heart. And in red cards, the 13 cards are of spade and 13 cards are of club. So now we can move ahead on our question. So now we have to calculate n of s. So we have to draw 4 cards from the pack of 52 cards. So our n of s is 52c4. So there is a formula from combination, that is NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. Here our n of s is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. So n factorial is 52 factorial. Our r is 4. So 4 factorial multiply by 52 minus 4, that is 48 factorial. So it come out to be equal to 2,70,725. So this is our n of s. Now let's see our first question, that is there are a king, queen, jack and ace. So the 4 cards are drawn from 52 cards are maybe a king, queen, jack or an ace. So our event A is 4 cards drawn are king, queen, jack and an ace. So therefore n of A is equal to 4c1, because though because there are 4 kings and we have to draw 1 king. So therefore 4c1 multiply by 4c1 for queen also. Similarly for jack also the The N of A is 4C1 and for S also it is 4C1. So it is come out to be equal to 256. So this is our N of A. Now we have to calculate probability of A, that is P of A. It is equal to N of A upon N of S. That is N of S, N of A है हमारा 256 and our N of S is, here we calculate N of S. This is our N of S 270275. So N of S is 270725. So it is come out to be equal to 0.009, which is 0.09%. So this is our probability of event A. That is the four cards drawn from the 52 cards are king, queen, jack or a S.